A fresh political row has erupted in Karnataka over the RSS legal status and patriotism, with KPCC President P.K. Hariprasad drawing a sharp comparison between the RSS and banned extremist groups. Speaking at a press conference on August 17th, Hariprasad claimed that there was no difference between Jaish-e-Mohammed, Taliban and the RSS because all three were not registered in India. He also backed Kerala University Vice Chancellor Mohanan remark in the ongoing Vande Mataram controversy. Hariprasad alleged that the RSS does not sing Vande Mataram or the national anthem and does not hoist the tricolour. The remarks come amid a wider political dispute after an FIR was filed against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi alleging disruption during the rendition of Vande Mataram. The debate over RSS registration intensified after BJP General Secretary P.L. Santosh said the organization does not need legal registration. He pointed out that the RSS has functioned since 1925 without statutory status. Santosh argued that public trust rather than legal paperwork defines an organization. He also said that the RSS has stood with the country during the 1947 partition and other crises without requiring state certification.